Hello, my friends. Have you ever grown and enjoyed fresh strawberries yourself? Today, join us on a journey to discover the wonderful technology behind the enchanting ripe strawberries. We'll take you to the most modern strawberry farms in the world, where creativity and technology blend, creating magical achievements in the agricultural industry. Step into the captivating narrative of Swan van Gennep, a pioneering strawberry production enterprise nestled in the heart of the Netherlands. Guided by the visionary leader, Mr. Elijah, this company stands as a beacon of passion and commitment. Dedicated to cultivating and delivering exquisite strawberries of unparalleled quality. By embracing cutting-edge cultivation technologies and methodologies, Swan van Gennep transcends traditional boundaries to ensure the utmost freshness and flavor in every berry. Have you seen the modern hydroponic strawberry growing system at the Demo Cravo facility in Irapuato, Mexico? They employ 3 different hydroponic systems with Cravo's retractable cooling greenhouse. One of these systems is the NGS rotating gutter, which efficiently balances production on a hectare scale with effective irrigation and harvesting. The retractable greenhouse roof helps optimize control over light, temperature, and humidity, creating an ideal environment for strawberry plants to thrive. Farmer Dre's strawberry mulching machine is truly remarkable. During my visit to his farm, I was impressed by the ingenuity and efficiency of this innovative tool. Mr. Dre's nylon mulching machine operates automatically and swiftly, evenly spreading plastic rolls over the strawberries with high precision. This process creates a protective cover around the plants, fostering an ideal growth environment. The nylon layer retains soil moisture, preventing water loss and shielding the plants from weed competition, while maintaining soil warmth for optimal fruit development. I had heard about water wheel transplanters before, but witnessing one in action today was truly impressive. This advanced technology allows farmers to plant up to 33,000 strawberry plants in just 5 days. The precise water spraying onto predetermined points ensures fast, accurate, and high-yielding planting. If you're a fan of these strawberries, drop a 1 in the comments. The John Deere 5080 GV is a modern agricultural machine equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel engine capable of generating up to 80 horsepower to serve various agricultural activities. Paired with the efficient Seymour 4-row sprayer featuring 4 rows of nozzles and powerful fans, farmers can spray pesticides faster and more effectively. Did you know that the Liger's beetles are a significant threat to strawberry production? With resistance to many pesticides, mechanical insect vacuums offer an effective solution. Use the Agribot Bug Vac, a self-propelled insect vacuum capable of moving automatically within rows, adjusting the fan height to an optimal level, making this practice more precise and more cost-effective. After patiently nurturing their crops for about 2 months, strawberry growers eagerly anticipate the most rewarding moment, the first harvest of the ripe, juicy strawberries. These initial fruits, though small and delicate, burst with sweet and aromatic flavors, symbolizing the culmination of hard work and dedication. Beyond their delicious taste, the first strawberries also inspire motivation and hope for the forthcoming harvest. As the season progresses, the strawberry plants flourish, yielding an abundance of delectable fruits, signaling the success of the planting and nurturing journey. My journey to California introduced me to the remarkable Agribot harvester. This high-tech machine, resembling a futuristic robot, showcases cutting-edge automated harvesting technology. With meticulously designed sensors and robotic arms, it accurately and swiftly picks ripe strawberries without harming the plants. Witnessing its fantastic performance firsthand was truly impressive. While both machine lines from the company excel at automatic and precise strawberry harvesting, the E-Series truly shines. Its flexible robotic arms allow for gentle cutting and seamless navigation between rows, optimizing efficiency. The E-Series' ability to accurately locate and harvest each row of strawberries elevates the harvesting process to new heights of convenience and efficiency. This impressive technology empowers farmers to boost productivity and maximize yields. Introducing Berry, Organifarm's automatic harvesting robot for strawberries. This advanced robot scans, picks, weighs, and packages fruits autonomously in greenhouses. It can navigate between rows in water pipe rail systems and store up to 8 full fruit trays, equivalent to 40 kilograms, before requiring human interaction for battery replacement. Berry's independence minimizes reliance on human labor, enhancing productivity and product quality.